Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get dry bricks in Raft. First, gather the necessary raw materials from the ocean floor. You'll need both clay and sand, which are typically found in abundance around the submerged areas of larger islands. Once you have collected these, you can begin the crafting process. Dry bricks are crucial for building advanced structures and tools on your raft, so mastering this process is a key step in your survival journey. To start, you'll need to dive into the ocean around islands to find clay and sand. These resources often appear as distinct patches on the seabed. Equip your plastic hook or simply use your hands to gather them. Remember, each wet brick requires 1 unit of clay and 1 unit of sand, so collect plenty. Keep an eye on your oxygen meter and watch out for sharks, as they can be a real danger in deeper waters. Safety first. Once you have a good supply of clay and sand, head back to your raft. Open your crafting menu and combine 1 unit of clay with 1 unit of sand to create a wet brick. This is the crucial intermediate step before you can get your dry bricks. You can craft several wet bricks at a time, so make sure you have enough inventory space. These wet bricks are now ready for the next stage of processing. The final step is to dry your wet bricks using a smelter. If you haven't built one yet, you'll need to do so. Place your wet bricks into the smelter's input slots. Then, add planks or other suitable fuel into the fuel slot. Each wet brick will take about 1 minute to process into a dry brick. Once complete, retrieve your valuable dry bricks from the output slot. Congratulations, you now have dry bricks for all your advanced crafting needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.